afternoon. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We're here at Norton Farms in Rockingham, where tonight will be their opening night for their new addition. They will have food trucks and live music. You can see the full lineup of food trucks that will be on site on Norton Farms on Facebook, and you can also find it on our page. And Clark Bennett will have the music tonight. There's more music and food trucks coming up this week with performances Friday night and Saturday night, and you can also find that information on who's performing and what food trucks will be here on Norton Farms on Facebook, and also with us at Visit Richmond County. Also tonight there will be a Rockingham Plaza Jam. This is a makeup Plaza Jam, and it will be North Tower Band. That will start at 6:30 p.m. on the lawn of Cole Plaza. At RCC, they will have a Design with Wine class. And tonight is also the first night for the Hamlet Lions Club Agricultural Fair in Hamlet at the Fairgrounds. And that will be tonight throughout the weekend and wrap up on Sunday. You can find out more information about the fair on their Facebook group for the Agricultural Fair in Hamlet, courtesy of the Hamlet Lions Club. This week is the homecoming week for Richmond Senior High School. There will be a homecoming parade before the homecoming football game at Raiders Stadium, and that parade will start at 4 p.m. in downtown Rockingham. Tonight will be the 8th anniversary Sale-A-Bration in downtown Rockingham at Willow Tree and Company. They will be open with lots of sales and specials from 4 until 8 p.m. After the parade in downtown Rockingham tomorrow night, and also the football game at Raiders Stadium, there will be live music with Ducky and Chucky at Hudson Brothers, live music here with Ramblers Run and food trucks. And in Hamlet, they will have Flashback Friday, and also Tyler Watts will be performing. Double Vision will have karaoke, and Axe to Grind will also have their specials. It's Jazz and Steak Night in Hamlet at Bowie's Cotton Gin. And then Saturday, we have a lot going on. This will be the start of the Super Chevy Show at Rockingham Dragway. This is a 2-day event with car show. Saturday, jet cars, drag racing, swap meet, and lots more. You can find more information on Facebook for Rockingham Dragway. There's a Super Chevy Show event page. See it on Visit Richmond County or the Rockingham Dragway website. Also Saturday is the Back the Blue motorcycle ride. This is a joint effort in Richmond and Scotland County. More information on that is available in our newsletter and on Facebook. And Saturday night, there's a lot going on, starting with music bingo at Axe to Grind at 4 p.m. Then Mike's free beer tasting before a murder mystery event. Over at Hail Mary's, they will have Bowtie Karaoke. Here in Rockingham at Double Vision, DJ Roy G will be in the house. And the karaoke, I forgot to mention, at Hail Mary's Tavern is a luau party saying goodbye to summer. Saturday night, ACPW will have a wrestling event at Richmond County Rescue Squad. And then on Sunday, there will be a cornhole tournament at Hail Mary's Tavern. Tuesday the 19th, Hot Rod Drag Week will have their day 2 stop at Rockingham Dragway. You can find out more information about this big stop on the Hot Rod Drag Week 2023 tour at Rockingham Dragway on Facebook, Rockingham Dragway, or Visit Richmond County. Or you can see either of the websites for the Dragway or us, Visit Richmond County. This is a big deal, and it will start at 8 a.m. and be done around 2 p.m. You do not want to miss seeing all of those drag cars on the Hot Rod Drag Week tour, racing for hours at Rockingham Dragway before they head off to another dragway to continue their tour. Find out more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County on our website, visitrichmondcounty.com. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and our website blog. We hope to see you around town. If not, we'll definitely see you next week.